For Halloween, we are making chocolate ganache cake with cat face on top. Okay, first, we'll go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. We will add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of dark, unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 cups of sugar. I added the sugar directly into the bowl because they don't need to be sifted. Then let's add a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. And again, I'm adding this directly into the bowl because they don't need to be sifted. Now time to sift. Just lightly tap the strainer or sifter just like so. Okay. We are going to use our paddle attachment to make our cake mixture. Oops. Alright, let's lock it in place. We will mix this on a low speed. That should be good. Now let's combine our wet mixture. I have here 1/2 cup of canola oil. Then let's add 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's give it a whisk and we'll add this slowly into our dry mixture. Let's make sure they are well combined. Alright, I think that's good. Let's set the stand mixer to medium speed. Then in is our wet mixture. Let's pour it slowly, just like so. The chocolate dust everywhere. The brewed coffee will enhance the chocolatey taste of the cake. Let's add them slowly. Let's turn the speed to low. We don't want it splashing all over the place. Let's transfer the mixture to our cake pan. Let's pour them evenly to the pans. My arms are wet. Let's bake these for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I think our cake's ready. While we make our white chocolate ganache, let's allow these cakes to cool down completely. Let's make our white chocolate ganache. Watch my video for the complete steps on how I made the chocolate ganache. The chocolate chips are completely melted. Let's go ahead and allow this to cool down. For our chocolate ganache, let's slowly pour our heated heavy cream. We will add a hint of vanilla extract. Then we will allow that to sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, let's give it a mix. Just continue to stir because we want to make sure that the chocolate chips will completely blend with the heavy cream. Our chocolate ganache should turn glossy with silky and smooth consistency. We will save 1/2 cup of the chocolate ganache for our filling. Ooh. And here are the candies that I'm going to use. Alright, we will use 6 of the strawberry sticks. Now let's dip in our white chocolate ganache. I will use a chopstick to fish the candy pieces. You may also use barbecue stick. Now we will spread these on the cooling rack, just like so. We don't want them sticking to each other. Alright, now for our ears. Now for the upper lip. Dip and chill the candy pieces 2 to 3 times or until the color changes to pearl white. Okay, we will allow this to chill until the chocolate ganache has set and hardened. Okay, now for our eyes and for our nose, this is what we're going to use. For the eyes, we will just put that there and we will put marshmallow as our paste. We will paste the eyeball. Now for our nose, let's put them together like this. So we will make a tiny ribbon out of a jelly bean. Let's put it back to the fridge and allow it to chill. We will use serrated knife to flatten the top of our cake. Let's trim and level the cakes before adding the frosting or filling. Let's put the scraps to a plate or discard them. Let's place them on a cooling rack before pouring the chocolate ganache. It's up to you if you want thicker or thinner chocolate ganache filling. Now let's add the white chocolate ganache to the edge of our cake for that nice brown and white color. We will flip the second layer of the cake upside down because the bottom is flatter than the top. Let's make sure and patch the gaps and holes on the side of the cake. Alright, the exciting part, time to pour over our chocolate ganache. Let's go and pour half cup at a time. Let's start from the top and work our way out. Tap and shake until the top is covered with chocolate ganache. The parchment paper underneath will catch the ganache drippings. My cake is a little bit lopsided. It's leaning towards this side, but that's okay. As long as it's delicious. Before the cake sets completely, let's make a wave-like design by going up and down motion. Continue to do it all the way around. Let's transfer our cake to our cake stand. Now let's allow our cake to set for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's put this kitty cat face together. Now, the big reveal, the moment of truth. Ready? Dun da da dun! Ta-da! And there you have it, my chocolate ganache cake with a kitty cat face. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. Ako si Marichu Petrosky. Please consider subscribing and supporting our YouTube channel if you enjoyed this recipe. Have a safe and happy Halloween! Let's eat! Alright. Look at that. It's ready. Now let's... You like that? He does like it.